Hello, this is Confused Productions, and today we're gonna be building a Lego set today. We got bag 1, bag 2, bag 3. Sticker sheet. And next we have the instruction manual right here. Got the chassis for the undercarriage. Okay, now that we finish bag 1. Oh, wait, sorry. Okay, let me retry this again. Now that we got bag 1 out, let's rip it up. Wait. Another one here. And now we get the other bags. Oh, wait. So we got a piece here that flew off. Oh, there was one more here. Another one here. The last bag here. Oh, what fell? And the last one here. Okay, now that we got all the bags, here, let's begin building. First, we got the minifigure we need to build. So we got his hairpiece here. Funny how he uses the generic city figure head and then he just slapped them on for the Speed Champions. Interesting marketing since they could be the best figures we got for a Lego car. Oh, where's his helmet? Oh. And we need to get the glass here, his visor. Swap this out. We can always switch back the hairpiece for the helmet. Here we go. Let's just put this aside. One more thing, his wrench. Oh, they used the spoon pieces for this. For the cars. Wow. Wrench. Oh, there is his wrench. Oh, wait. Now you know what, let's just leave that. And begin building the car. Oh. Oh, there was a piece here. Okay, sorry for the interruption. I kind of got lost for a second there, but I don't know. Let's see. Put this away. Oh, we got the other sets they were promoting, like the Ford and the Audi and the BMW and the McLaren there. Yeah. Oh, sorry for the noise. Let me put this here. I put the driver in his seat. There, now we got the McLaren race car. Oops. Yep. I finished building it now. My final thoughts here now. I like all the details here they've built. The chrome wheels and all the sponsors and every detail they captured from building the car right here. Oops. Now that I got everything here built, I like the build, the size, and The layout, yeah. I'd say I'm giving this a 9/10. Not so No, I'm not giving it too perfect, but it is the best set though, so I have to change my 9 to a 10. Yeah. And that's all for today. Subscribe to my channel. Stay safe. And thanks for watching.